Are you gonna make faces in the camera?
Going to this place with this big train, like set up like it's a toy train set up. And then it's
that place! I remember it.
Do you remember that from last year?
It's like super big. They have like this. It's like a big warehouse. It's just like full of just this big long track.
Mm-hmm.
And there's 2 buildings.
There is. It does go through almost like 2 buildings, huh? We didn't go the other way last time. This is where we're at. It's kind of neat to see all the little details, huh? Little details. Oh, there it comes.
Oh, it's across the bridge. I don't think it's going to pass the street.
We got one of the Coke trucks. Oh, the sign on top of the building. I see it. So many little details, huh?
But see that monster truck right there? That's just random.
That's hilarious. That's funny. I know. I can't believe how much detail there is. There's even a plane up there on the wall. What do you think? Let's see more. Watching the train outside. We're down by the train track so you can see it. Oh yeah. Look, you can even see the people in the windows. It's one of my favorite things to go see around this time of year. They open up their whole hobby shop and they do this great big layout. It takes up one whole half of their shop, like a whole big room, huh? And then in the back, this time they actually had 2 other sets set up as well. So it's just kind of fun to go and look at, especially because Josiah's so into trains right now. That's all I've heard this year. What train tracks for Christmas? And what train tracks for Christmas? So it's fun to see his excitement. And then the shop is right next to like the train tracks downtown. And so as we were in there, there was a train going by and he's like standing on the steps trying to look and see where it is. And the people there are like really into their trains. Like really into their trains, huh? So we're headed out to this thing called Old Time Holiday. It's like the National Park Service puts it on. And there's 2 different locations. There's one spot where the kids can do like blacksmithing and dipping candles and caroling, and then there's another spot where they're going to make wreaths. We're going out to check it out. It's kind of fun because it's something that they can create, and yet it's done like the candle dipping they actually do over an open fire. So there's that element of like history and just local history involved in it as well. So that's something that we're headed out to do this morning. Making candles. Josiah's is a little crooked, I know. Josiah's is a little not straight.
Hey, hurry up, that's good.
Just go down, yeah, like down up. Kind of quick.
Got it? Kind of quick?
There you go. Down up.
fingers are like numb.
So you do it real fast in the wax. All right, everyone stop just a second.
Now we go put the rest into the water.
Yours is getting pretty good.
Daddy,
Like that.
I know.
Hold it up.
I made mine.
Let me see. What'd you make?
Candle.
A candle. Another picture, because you're going to show me your candle. How was that? You gonna? Are you trying to smell it?
I did. Lydia said it smells like cherry too.
Oh. Did you like making candles? Uh-huh.
Maybe they put smell in it. Maybe they actually put a cherry in it, but they made the cherry into a dye.
Maybe.
So that it would add scent too.
Maybe. What you got, bud?
Cookie.
A cookie! And now we're just back home and we're getting some lunch. That was a fun morning out with the kids. We got to go see the trains and we dipped candles and did some crafting and made wreaths. I just love this time of year because there's so many different community type events that we can go to and be a part of the community and just have a good time with our kids. So it's been a really full morning. We're back having some lunch together. I'm gonna do some decorating and I'm trying to get a load of laundry done before this evening because we have some plans for this evening. As you could see earlier, it's starting to cloud over and I guess there's rain in the forecast. So we're really hoping that it holds off because we've got another fun adventure tonight. But in the meantime, we're just making a rest stop at home. My husband's working on the car. I had some problems with the car this morning, went to the post office and came out and the car was totally dead. So praying for good news on that one. And we're just gonna hang around the house and get some things done before we go out tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.